Some strange things have been happening at a prestigious New York hospital. A Mount Sinai employee is accused of watching porn while on the job. As McGee Hickey reports, he was even being entertained during surgery.
How would you like to be having open heart surgery and find out that the lab technician running the heart-lung machine that keeps you alive during the procedure is instead watching porn on his cell phone?
I saw a woman on top of a man. They were both naked. I put one and one together, and I also saw two men and a woman performing sexual acts on his phone during a case.
Former cardiovascular technician Sandra Morris worked at Mount Sinai Medical Center for 5 years and says Ahmet Sursioglu, her immediate supervisor, was known for looking at graphic sexual pictures on his smartphone during operations.
What could happen if he's not paying attention to the surgery?
The patient could die or be harmed severely.
The 37-year-old cardiovascular perfusionist was terminated from her $150,000 a year job after she went out on disability last December. She is now suing Sursioglu and another supervisor, Ricardo Lazala, for allegedly creating a hostile work environment and discriminating against her based on her gender and her religion.
He called me a dumb Jew in front of other staff members. I would say that kind of crossed the line between both.